Warning, the following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
They thought the M140i was perfect. They thought wrong. This summer/winter, behold the major flaw of the M140i, which is this thing. It doesn't stay up. So if you need access to your battery, what the hell are you supposed to do? It keeps falling down and it will knock off your jumper cables and electrocute you and destroy your car. Behold, however, the solution, which is these clothes pegs. Don't tell, I'm too masculine to be using clothes pegs, I think, or is that like, oh my god, I don't believe I said that, but there you go, I do this thing, and behold, the solution. They should be part of the car's accessories, and if there was an actual OEM way to keep it up, and I just too stupid to know, just let me know, okay? Alright, thank you very much. That's it, the rest of the car is perfect.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.